At MENA-Water, we are redefining the future of water and wastewater management for a sustainable tomorrow. From natural resources, water begins its journey into our state-of-the-art safe drinking package plants. Here, our advanced purification technology turns raw water into clean drinking water. Our commitment to excellence drives us to meet and exceed the most rigorous water quality standards approved by the World Health Organization, ensuring safe water for everyone, everywhere. As the purified water is efficiently distributed, it provides communities with access to clean drinking water for daily needs, promoting health, vitality, and happiness. After use, the water takes a different path. Wastewater is diverted to our MBR package plant for sustainable purification. Here, advanced treatment processes are tailored to cleanse and reclaim. The purified water is then repurposed for a variety of applications, from irrigating crops and nourishing landscapes to supporting industrial operations, ensuring that water is recycled efficiently and sustainably. As cities expand and populations grow, our modular systems are designed to grow with them. Easily scalable, our safe drinking and sewage package plants can be rapidly deployed and integrated, ensuring that communities of all sizes have reliable access to clean water. Built with European quality components, our package plants deliver exceptional reliability, flexibility, and durability. Backed by excellent service and after-sales support, they are modular, facilitate quick plug-and-play installation and online monitoring. Our solutions provide, with quick startup, cost-efficient operation, and minimal energy use. Our plants provide sustainable water management for diverse needs, adapting effortlessly to diverse conditions, including varying climates and landscapes. Our plants demonstrate unmatched versatility and reliability. From dense urban centers to remote communities, MENA-Water provides high-quality water solutions needed anywhere. Together, we're building a better future, one drop at a time.